You guys maybe have seen lots of videos like on depression. Like, y'all can see every time you on your social media, Instagram or YouTube, there are people giving you this knowledge of like depression. And I know you're going through, if y'all are going through any depression, please contact us, call us, everything. Yeah, that's fine. Just because you had such a great loss in our country, and maybe just, I think so, just this week or hardly 3 4 days it'll be going on. After that, I don't think so anybody be ever interested in what you want to say to them, whether you're depressed or you're not, and you just want to share something with your friend or family, or for any random person who is like, you feel that okay, I can be able to share my things with this guy or this girl. But then I don't think so. Like, people are just so busy in their own world that they forget that they have people around them who like need them. Or maybe they feel that, I'm just trying to say is, everybody's so busy in their life that they forget, okay? And everybody is just running behind money, fame, popularity. I'll buy this car and I'll buy that house and I'll have this things with me. I want this. That's the only thing going on right now. It's like, okay, my neighbor, it's like my neighbor has it. I don't have it. My friend has this car, but I don't have it. And that's what, like, it's just creating jealousy between, just, it is just the materialistic things, okay? Those are only the materialistic thing. But what you like eternally you want it, y'all are not thinking about it. Just because somebody else has it, you do want it, and you're like jealous about it. Or you can even say like, okay, this person has so many followers, or that person has so many followers, she has a YouTube channel and I don't have it. Or maybe she's getting lots of views and I'm not. Or maybe she has, okay, her personality is so good, oh, she looks so pretty and I don't have it. These are the all little things which we're insecure about. Or it's not that, it's only the thing that you can say is materialistic things people are running behind, and not working on themselves, the eternal happiness, or the you know inner happiness which we require as human beings, to be at peace. First thing, okay, to be at peace. Everything, whatever is going on around us, is literally destroying our pieces, okay? And the internet has like so much source, they can give so many good messages. And yes, there are, I don't blame that there are not many good messages coming out. There are few people who are, but there are some few people, like, they just open up only when it's necessary. Okay, like, okay, there's a topic now, just because of the sudden death of the most popular celebrity. It's the thing that now, okay, let me do it now, okay? And some are like, they don't even bother, they're like just normal everywhere, like they're posting the same nonsense memes and all those things, and roasting people again. But that's fine, that's not what I'm trying to say. But it just breaks me down, when a good person like that goes. But solution, you have so many different solutions, okay? But if you don't want to work, okay, you feel like you're already given up or something, then nobody can help you. But the first thing you should ever remember, this is the main thing I want to, like, inverted commas, I want to tell is, your life is not your own, okay? It's not your own life. It's given to you by God, it's given to you by your parents, and you just cannot end it like that. Just cannot, okay? It's not your own body. So guys, please, suicide is not any solution. Please get to know this. Please, and I request you, don't do this. Don't. Please get your parents' face in front of you, or whoever ever you're staying with. They need you, okay? No matter how depressed you feel or whatever it is, we don't know for the if I am in depression, I do not know what is going on in my partner's life, or maybe in his head. Okay, I don't know. Maybe he needs me the most, but at that point, if I feel more depressed, I feel like giving up. What about them? So just get it clear, okay? Just get it clear that suicide is not any solution. You have different things. You can find out different solution. Just sit, think. You have time, okay? Just think about it. Don't risk your life for any nonsense thing. It's precious life. You don't know whether you'll get it again or no. We don't know the afterlife after the death, okay? We don't know life after death. So please try to understand it. You have this one life, enjoy it, be happy. Just think about yourself. Just get the things which you need, okay? Just be happy. Just be happy. That's the only thing of coming in this world, right? Just have peace of mind. Just be happy. Not run behind any nonsense thing just because somebody else has it. It's their luck, their hard work, their thing. You do yours. But don't be at the end of the day, after your hard work also, don't be like, I did so much hard work but I didn't get it. That's not your problem. That's not your problem. He will give you whenever you really want or need it. God knows everything. He never gives you like the things which will destroy you, okay? First thing. He will only give you the things which you need, okay? Your heart's desire, okay, it may come. It'll take time. Okay, it'll take time. But one fine day you surely will. So why worry? Just be happy, man. Just be happy. It's so saddening. It's so heartbreaking to hear all these things. Very sad. Like, it's said that every 42nd a person commits suicide. Imagine. Your life is not just any toy or something you bring it and break it. You can't do that. It's not your own. So please, just spread love. Just be in love all the time. Help each other, be happy, be at peace. Thank you.